What's up, everybody? It's Known to Go. I'm giving you another reaction video. This one is by Long Beach Griffy, yet again titled "When a Chinese Person Sneezes." Now, I'm not gonna lie. After the past two reaction videos I've done on Long Beach Griffy, I expect some over-the-line stuff. Like, he was always doing over-the-line stuff, if I'm being honest. Always wanted to push the envelope. But that first Long Beach Griffy reaction that I reacted to today, which was actually the latest one, so yes, I'm doing them backwards, was by far one of the most savage, over-the-line, don't care about YouTube things I've seen in my life. I don't know if anybody's gonna be able to top that, if I'm being honest. Griffy wants to be kicked off of YouTube, but right now I'm gonna start this video. I'm gonna start it in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro, I'm not fucking around, man.
I'm sorry, dude.
You got me fucked up.
Dude, relax. It's just my allergies.
Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies. You got that Chinese Ebola thing.
The coronavirus? No, dude, I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean.
Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese
knew
is
it.
all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake.
That is incredibly racist.
Is it though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get it.
Bro.
Where are those families supposed to go?
Antarctica or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida.
Look, man,
Sneeze again. Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Do it. Do it. Play with me. Play with me. I can't even get a happy ending at a massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
Why? I want to know if I ever get a chance to talk to Griffy, and y'all try to make it happen. I'm gonna try to make it happen myself. If I ever get a chance to talk to Griffy, I need to know, why is this man trying to get kicked off of YouTube? I think he's trying to figure out. I think he's trying to prove a point. Me personally, I think that this dude is trying to figure out just how much stuff he has to do before YouTube notices, hey, this guy's doing some crazy stuff. I might need to take him off or something like that. He has to be doing something along those lines, because either that or he just stopped giving a fuck. And it has nothing to do with YouTube. He just stopped giving a fuck. Could be either. Could be both. But that's it for this reaction video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We'll see you guys next time, and peace.